Welcome back, friends. Thanks for tuning in. It's Wednesday, November 18th. Let's go over today's trades. First off, we are green today. Always a good thing. 76 bucks. Decent, not bad. Of course, we always wish it was a lot more, right? So yeah, let's go over today's trades. And before I dive into it too, I have been considering, for those of you that have been watching my channel, know that I've been trading in an all cash account here. And I'm kind of interested in looking at sliding into a margin account just for the sake of being able to have a set of funds sitting there to where I can trade in one given day and actually have that same amount of money be, after all the trades, still go right back into the balance, therefore never drawing down the actual fund account. I can make multiple trades. That's the whole deal of avoiding the cash account here, is when you use those settled funds in your account, every trade you make is diminishing your account balance until those funds settle. That's the issue I've had for the longest time. And I've been trading for a while, for about 2 years, maybe a little bit longer, with cash account. That's actually all I've ever traded. So with that margin account, if you're above a certain amount, you can do multiple day trades and still have that same amount of purchasing power throughout the day. So I think that'd be a huge benefit. Of course, margin is huge risk in the sense of having this money that's not yours. So you have to be so diligent about not over leveraging it and risking it, of course. So that's what I'm looking at. I'd love to know if you guys out there that are trading right now, what are you trading with? Have you been trading with a margin account or a cash account, or have you been considering maybe moving to a margin account? So that's kind of what I've been contemplating for a little while, and I might be doing that with E-Trade here. And yeah, so that's that message. But anyway, today we're up 76 bucks. Let's go over what we traded today. DNK was the main one, and that was the main gapper. And today we had this awesome move. So I was watching this right out of the in the pre-market here. And as you can see, it was just it had gapped up. It was just trading sideways for a long time. And so I wasn't that interested until I was watching it, but right in here it moved up and then just kind of faded, and I figure there'd be nothing good to come about on this stock. But we had this incredible push. Once it hit this low, it just turned around and started moving up really hard, really fast. And saw that and jumped in and had a few trades in there. And once again, this is always the difficult thing, is that point of hesitation. You're looking for confirmation and you're looking to go aggressive, but when things jump up like this so quick, I tend to want to see if it'll hold that, because sometimes you can have these explosions that go up and then they just flip on the other hand on the backside and drop pretty hard. And so I like to wait a little bit to see if I can, there is more confirmation that this thing has true strength. And that puts me at the disadvantage of not being able to really capitalize on these spikes. So it's just an issue that I think all traders go through, especially, momentum traders like me, small caps. It's a difficult one to to put the pedal to the metal when you need to. But anyways, we did that, and I made a lot of good trades. And what I did was I end up making smaller trades and just a lot more of them. So I had a great winning percentage today. I think I was like 82% winning on all my on the trades, and the rest of it were red, red trades. But 82% is pretty good. But they were smaller trades and more of them. So we did trade it throughout this push too, which is great. And at this point, I just had to sit back, saw some resistance. I did get a nice trade in here. It was another fake out, you know, where you see this move of push up and then consolidate. You get these pullbacks, these little pullbacks, which are great. Then it rushes again, and we had another pullback here. And this was the difficult one because it pulled back pretty hard, consolidated for a little while, and then looked like it was going to push right again and really push beyond this, you know, 493 area. And it was kind of that fake out. So I did get actually capitalized right on this candle here and took my money on that and then just let the thing fade. So it was a good trade on that part, but the rest of the day it just went sideways for a while. And it had a big, once again, another big fake out here. It pushed hard and then reversed and dropped. And I'd like to know if you guys are in that. This is definitely a trap here. I've been in plenty of those before. So hopefully you didn't get caught up in that. But anyways, yeah, once again, I think it caught so many eyeballs that because of it, the rest of the day, it really just traded sideways for the longest time. At the end of the market, it did spike up, especially in after hours. It had a nice push up. So, yeah, we made some good trades on that. And the other thing I traded was KZIA. KZIA. And this one was good. It did have this one kind of random spike up that I got halted. So I was watching it after that. I didn't trade it right in here for that spike. I correct myself. I did, and had a bad trade in here and took a small loss. And just said forget it for a while. And towards the end of the day, it did spike up again. Took some trades in there. And that's where we left it for the day. I ran out of my cash capital. I was down to $0 to trade, like seven bucks left. Yeah, $7 left on the day. So I'm kind of, you know, excited about the margin if I do decide to do that, having those kind of that unlimited funds to day trade with. But I know it is risky, so I gotta, you know, really manage risk there, and should be good though. I'll update you guys, let you know where I go from there. But anyways, today was a good day. 76 blocks on the table. Let's show you where we're at with the chart. Okay, so this week, Monday we're up 22. Yesterday, Tuesday was down 11. Today up 76. As you can see, we're on the graph here. A nice little progression today. You know, of course we want more, but I'm just going to keep working towards making those steps forward and trying to make them significant, because we are going to have our red days, and I'm just trying to avoid those, keep those small. That's the goal here, and looking decent as of right now. So we'll keep you updated. That's for today. Got 2 days left out of the week. Hope you guys are doing well. Let me know what you traded today, if you traded DNK or the KZIA. And that's where we'll leave it. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Have a good one.